Teejay. How did you link with Teejay now? Because I remember Teejay was having an amazing year last year with Drift and all these things here now. And you're the newer man coming up doing your things. Yeah, that's cool. How did you link with somebody like Up Top Boss Teejay?
Alright. First of all, big up Top Boss, UTC camp. Big up the whole UTC. Big up Dogman. One of my G them from Spain. I really Dogman. Really have the link to TJ, and we link with Dogman. My management team, Sweet Music, link with Dogman, St. Kingston, you know. Tigo and Doc, them manage the thing. Them link with Dogman, and the connection make we link with Dogman too as well. Me personally, yeah man. So Dogman know TJ, and you know, him know Nhance, and as a G, him just see it fit where, yes man, and him just put it together and make it happen. Yeah man, the right way, so big up Dogman.
And TJ, when they made the connection and stuff, TJ really linked you and embraced you one time and said, yeah man, come forward through.
When me do the song with TJ, honestly, I do my part and send it across, you know, etc. But after that, when we link in person, yeah man, me rate TJ because me go around the artists before, and you don't know artists. Well, it sets the artists have to move a certain type of way, but TJ they just move like a normal person. Him never have no hype, no nothing. You can see the leadership in the GC, you know, cause artists you have leader skills, leadership. So you could have see all of that, and you can just know see they're on a star, but him still deal with it like a normal person, you know. You don't feel afraid to say you're up in a TJ or TJ or Nhance this or him even greet me before me greet him. I say, yo, very. So yeah man, mad respect for TJ.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
And the song that you guys did together was Table Turns.
Table Turn.
Yeah, so you said you did your part, sent it to him, and then put together, put out the visuals.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's still, to this day, that's one of your biggest songs on your Vivo right now.
Yeah man, Table Turn. Table Turn. People love that song there. People really love that song there. Because remember, you know, everybody see a change in them life, you know, for them own way. And you have to remember, you know, everything, once it left from 1 to 2, is an accomplishment. I understand, so a man there today and him a work towards getting some followers, and him earn 4. Not because the next man earn 20, no mean say you never earn none.
You like, still earned your 4.
You still earn in a year with him, just a earn with him for earn, and you know you earn by time, but anyway I want to put it, it's still an accomplishment. So look where I come from to where you know.
Yeah.
You know?
Doesn't matter how big or how small.
Yeah,
I tell
man.
people slow-mo is better than no-mo. Move slowly is better than not moving
Yeah
at all.
man, because direction's better than speed. And that's what I say.
Yeah.
So as long as you know what you do,
You're
good,
you're
just
smart,
continue.
bro. Yeah.
To go on.
Yeah. Sumfest now, because this seems to be that moment that, yeah, you had your people and buzzing with you, but that seems to have been the outside of your clique, the bigger set of people know about you. How did that Sumfest even come around now?
CM management with Dogman and TJ. You know them, Dogman link TJ and ask him bring in on Spanish show, and him not even hesitate. Him say, yeah man.
Yeah.
You know, I tell you, big up TJ. I don't know how much time I can big up TJ because he does not feel enough. You not feel the strength to him give me as a young artist in a dancehall. So yeah man, and then remember Tigo tell you for work and believe.
Yeah.
So we just go out there and do what we have to
Work
do.
and believe.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man. You could see when you're watching it through your phone or on your screen or wherever you watch it, I could have felt every word, every emotion, every vibe that you're putting out through the screen. You know what I mean? It was a real intense performance cycle. You could feel that. And even the speech where you spoke about the passing your son and getting the call for, you could have felt everything in your soul right there. You understand?
Yeah. Well, oh, if you not feel it, yeah man, the youth out there, and it might be as real as it gets, like, like for a moment, like me not even remember say me there amongst a crowd of people. Like me just be me. Me I let go everything. You understand me? I say remember, me need this. Me need this. You see me? So me never hesitate. Not shy, never did it. Not nothing. You know? Me decide say whenever me exit this stage, people have to remember say me did enter. Yeah, man.
What was the phone calls, texts, DMs, followers like after that performance?
Yeah, just know say everything enhance after that, man. Yeah, after that everything enhance. And all of that happened because of Teejay, same way. And because of the management team and Dog Money put it together. So, me owe everybody a big thank you this time.
But keep this in mind, where you got to thank, I'm going to tell you where you got to thank yourself too. Everybody could have put it together, you know. You know you could have gone on that stage and flapped like Dog, all right? Like Dog.
Why Jamaican people say everything like dog? Hungry like dog, flop like dog, dead like dog. Oh, I never see a dog flop yet. But I gotta say, yeah, man. Yeah, but everybody just a believe in me. Say me coulda do it, and me believe in myself, and me believe in the man above. You know, I am the man with the angle at the end of the day. So yeah, man. Me still tell myself thanks for do it. Cause remember me coulda go out there and shy. You know, me emotions coulda get the best of me. And it end up be that me can't even open my mouth. You don't know stage fright, anything could happen. So me I still give myself a big thank you for go out there go deliver the best side of me. Yeah, man.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.